Hello students, I Kutadia Parthiv will take your computer and GK subject class 1. Hope you are doing well during this time. You might learn many new things like new indoor games, art and craft activities, household work and many more. It is not decided that from when school will get start. We will start our online class of academic year 2020 to 2021. Today, my first lecture, I tell you moral story. The story name is The Value of Zero. One day, a famous mathematician convened a meeting of numbers. All the numbers except zero came for the meeting. Zero was hiding in an unknown place. The mathematicians ordered all the numbers. Whenever zero is, I want you to go and find him out and bring him to this meeting immediately. All the numbers began to search for zero. At last, after a long search, they found him hiding himself behind a tree. The numbers caught hold of him and presented him before the mathematician. The mathematician called zero to him and said, "Why were you hiding? Why were you afraid to attend the meeting of numbers?" Zero started crying and said in a broken voice, "Sir, I am a zero. According to people, I have no value, and so no one cares for me or respect me. This hurts me a lot. That is the reason why I was not inclined to attend this meeting. I hid myself behind a tree so that no one could find me." The mathematician thought for a while and called the numbers one and asked him to stand in front of him. Look at this picture. Before after the number 1 we added 2 0, so the value of 0, the number is 100, so it is the value of 0. Looking at 0, the mathematician asks him, "Tell me, 0, what is the value of this number?" One reply, 0. The mathematician then asks 0 to stand to the right of 1. Looking at the other number, he asked them, "What is the value of this number?" 10 reply, "All the number in unison." The mathematician then asked all the 0 to stand to the right of 1, one after the other. Every time a 0 was added to the right of 1, the mathematician would ask the other numbers the value of 1. As the number of 0 increase, the value of 1 also increase, that is to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and so on. The mathematician said to zeros, "When each of you stood to the right of 1, one after the other, the value of 1 increased. From 1, its value became a 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and so on. Any number by itself has very little value. Its value increase only when another number is put beside it. You think that all by yourself you have very little value, but when you come along with some other number, you increase not only your own value but also that of the other number. Did not I just prove that to you? Zero understood the point made by the mathematician. He was happy that the notations of the people that zero has no value was baseless and wrong. From this story, The moral of the story: every man and everything on this earth is important. Never ignore anyone or anything. In your friends, you don't like any friends, but what are you doing? You ignore your friend, but don't ignore never, because in this time any people is used for you. So never ignore anyone or anything. When we join other, we enhance not only our own value and strength, but also that of the others. Always works unitedly. We all are work with the unity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.